buying coffee.
Hi, what would you like today?
Um, I want a coffee.
Sure. Hot or iced coffee?
Hot, small size, please.
Do you want milk or sugar?
Yes, little milk, no sugar.
Okay, one small hot coffee.
Thank you. How much is it?
It is $3.
Here, I pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Okay, it is done now.
Great. Please wait over there.
Yes, I will wait there.
Small hot coffee ready.
That is mine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy it.
Yes, it smells very good.
Careful, it's still hot.
Yes, I will be careful.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, I am looking for station.
Which station do you need?
Central train station.
Oh, yes, it is near here.
Can I walk there or bus?
You can walk. 10 minutes only.
Okay, please tell me the way.
Go straight, then turn left.
Straight, then left. Okay.
You will see big red building.
Red building. I look for that.
Station is next to it.
Oh, that sounds easy now.
Yes, you cannot miss it.
I hope I do not get lost.
If lost, ask someone again.
Thank you. You are very kind.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Grocery shopping.
Hi. Need help finding something?
Yes, I need fresh vegetables.
They are in aisle 5.
Aisle 5. Where is that?
Go right, then second row.
Right, second row. Okay.
Do you need anything else?
Eggs and milk also.
Dairy section is at the back.
Thank you. That helps me.
Do you have a basket?
Oh, no, I forgot that.
Here, take this basket.
Thank you. Very helpful.
You are welcome. Take your time.
Yes, I will shop slowly.
Checkout is near the exit.
Okay, I go there later.
Have a good shopping time.
Yes, I will enjoy it.
At the doctor.
Hello, what is the problem today?
I feel very tired.
How long you feel like this?
Maybe 3 days now?
Do you have a fever?
Yes, little fever yesterday.
Any cough or sore throat?
Yes, throat hurts a bit.
Okay, I will check you.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
It looks like mild cold.
Oh, not serious, right?
No, just take some rest.
Do I need medicine?
Yes, simple medicine will help.
Okay, how many times daily?
Take it 2 times a day.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Drink water and sleep well.
Yes, I will do that.
Booking a taxi.
Hello, do you need a taxi?
Yes, I need one now.
Where do you want to go?
To the airport, please.
Okay, that takes 20 minutes.
Is traffic very heavy now?
Not too bad at this time.
Good. I have some time.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase.
No problem. I will help.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Please sit in the back.
Okay, I am ready now.
We will leave in a minute.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is okay.
That is easy for me.
Let's go to the airport.
Yes, I feel relaxed now.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
What would you like today?
I want grilled chicken, please.
Good choice. Any side dish?
Fries or salad?
Salad is fresh today.
Okay, I choose salad.
And something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Perfect. I will bring it soon.
Thank you. I am hungry now.
Food will come quickly.
How long? Maybe 10 minutes?
Yes, around 10 minutes.
Okay, I will wait here.
Enjoy your meal soon.
Yes, I am excited.
Gym membership inquiry.
Hi, are you joining the gym?
I want to ask first.
Sure. What do you want?
How much is monthly fee?
It is $30 per month.
Does it include all machines?
Yes, all machines and classes.
Oh, that sounds good.
We also have trainers here.
Trainers cost extra money?
Yes, personal trainer is extra.
Okay, maybe later I try.
First, you can explore the gym.
Yes, I am beginner now.
That is perfectly fine here.
Good. I feel more comfortable.
Do you want to sign up?
Yes, I will join.
Great. Fill this form, please.
Okay, I start today.
Asking about Wi-Fi.
Hi, do you need help?
Yes, I need Wi-Fi password.
Sure, it is written here.
Oh, I cannot see clearly.
I will tell you slowly.
Okay, I am ready now.
It is coffee 1, 2, 3, all small letters.
Coffee, 1, 2, 3, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Let me try. 1 second.
Take your time. No rush.
Okay, it is connecting now.
Good. You are online now.
Yes, it works. Thank you.
Do you need anything else?
No, that is all for now.
Enjoy your time here.
Yes, I will relax now.
Wi-Fi is fast today.
That is very important.
At the bus stop.
Hi, are you waiting bus?
Yes, bus number 10.
It comes every 15 minutes.
Oh, I waited 10 minutes.
Then it will come soon.
Okay, that is good news.
Where are you going today?
To the shopping mall.
This bus goes there directly.
Oh, no need to change bus?
Yes, very easy route.
Ticket. I buy inside bus?
Yes, or use card here.
I use card. That is easy.
Good, less trouble that way.
I hope I do it right.
Driver will help you.
Okay, I feel better now.
Bus is coming. Look there.
Yes, I see it now.
Borrowing a phone charger.
Do you need something?
Yes, phone battery low.
Do you need a charger?
Yes, if you have one.
I have extra charger here.
Oh, that is very helpful.
What phone do you use?
I use Android phone.
This charger will work for you.
Thank you. I plug it now.
Sit here. It is comfortable.
Okay, I stay for some time.
How long you need charging?
Maybe 20 minutes only?
That is fine. No problem.
Thank you. You are very kind.
We all need help sometimes.
Yes, that is true.
Battery life is always short.
Yes, always at wrong time.